Open your browser and go to find.goldshell.com. You can see your miner listed with yellow dot. Then click on small icon to your miner page. Click Unlock on right corner of the page. The initial password of miner is 1 to 9. Then click Unlock. Click Miner and then click Add. Choose your pool and enter URL of your pool, and also your miner name with your password. Once finished, refresh your website. Once the icon changed into green, it means you connected to the pool successfully. After that, click on System. Connect to the Wi-Fi you preferred. Once it shows connected, means you have connected to your Wi-Fi, and you can unplug your Ethernet cable now. Then go back to find.goldshell.com. Refresh your website and you can see IP address of your miner has changed. Then you can go back to your miner page. Everything is well set to your pool. This is first way you can set up your miner to the pool. For the second way, please visit Goldshell official website. I will see you there.